Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a cash transaction in Rocket Money. So if you paid with cash or need to record a transaction that isn't linked to one of your connected accounts, you can add it as a manual transaction in this app. So I will need to note that the manual transactions are currently available only to the Rocket Money Premium members and can only be added in the mobile app. So to add a cash transaction in this app, you will need to first open it, of course, and then just tap the transactions tab. And to have access to this tab, as I told you, will need to first to link an account or your bank account, right? So currently my Capital One bank account is blocked, so I couldn't proceed to show you the exact steps, but I'm going to be specific on my explanation. So actually guys, you will need, as I told you, to tap the transactions tab and then just tap the plus icon. You will find it in the upper right corner and then just select spend for cash expense or income for cash received, and then just enter the transaction details like the name of the merchant or description and the date, the amount, and the category, and then just tap on save. So then the transaction will appear in your transaction history and be included in your budget and spending reports. So to delete a manually added transaction, you will need to open the transactions tab, of course, search for the transaction, the exact one or the actual one, and then just tap it to open its details and tap on delete that you will find at the bottom of the screen. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.